Hi Jeremy and Jessica. We're out riding today in the National Forest and I just thought I'd start making some videos for you so you can see what we're up to. Anyway, Sierra's going to do a really hard trail right now and I'm up here going to watch him, and I thought I'd like to show you what it looks like out here. It's really pretty. That's the trail he's going to go on down there. Here he comes. I don't know if you can see him. He's in the green bike over there. I was telling him it didn't look steep from up here, and man, that thing is steep. Look at him. He's got his brakes on the whole way. But it's just beautiful. So I just wanted to share what we were doing today. Hope you guys are doing great. Love you lots. Bye-bye.